Replace your existing doorbell or door chime. Knowing how to replace basic appliances like doorbells and door chimes doesn't only give you satisfaction, it can also save you a lot of money. By using a few tools that can be readily found in your house, you don't have to hire a professional to do this task that you can easily do on your own. Here's how you replace your existing doorbell or door chime. Prepare the materials. You need a doorbell or a door chime, a pencil, a screwdriver, a power drill, and an electrical tape to do this task. If you're switching from using a doorbell to a door chime, you may also need to purchase a new transformer for the door chime. Read the manual that came with the door chime to make sure that it has the same voltage requirements as your old doorbell. Read the manual. The first thing you need to do before replacing your doorbell or door chime is to read the manual that your new doorbell or door chime came with. In this way, you will know its voltage requirements as well as the precautions you need to do in installing it. Aside from these, you'll also get information on how you'd get more out of your bell or chime. Replace the old transformer. If you found out that your old transformer is not compatible with your new doorbell or door chime, proceed to read this step. Otherwise, skip this step and continue on the next step after this. Read the wiring diagram of the new transformer. Next, unplug your old transformer from the electric socket and turn off the circuit breaker. This prevents you from getting electrocuted while handling your old transformer. Then, install the new transformer using the wiring diagram you've read earlier as guide. Remove the old doorbell or door chime. Uncover your old doorbell or door chime to access the wires inside of it. Next, remove the wires and wrap electrical tape around their ends to prevent them from short-circuiting. Then, use a screwdriver to remove your old doorbell or door chime off your wall. Install the new doorbell or door chime. Your new doorbell or door chime may not fit the measurements you've made with your old bell or chime. If this is the case, you need to make new measurements. Place your new doorbell or door chime against the wall without screwing it. Mark with a pencil the new places where your bell or chime should be mounted. Next, use a power drill to poke a hole into the pencil markings. When you're done, screw your new doorbell or door chime into place and reconnect the wires. Then, place the cover of your new doorbell or door chime and test it out. Doorbells and door chimes are quickly becoming a necessity whether you're living in a small or a big house. These gadgets help put your mind at ease by guaranteeing that you wouldn't miss anyone knocking on your door whenever you're busy doing something in your kitchen, or your stereo is playing in full blast.